Most people try to control others and lose control of themselves. Watch closely. The people who command real respect don't talk more, don't react faster, and don't chase attention. They observe. They stay calm. They move with patience. They don't keep a crowd, just a few who matter, and they never stay where they're not respected. While others get emotional, they stay in control. While others hesitate, they stay active. And the biggest shift? They stop trying to please everyone and start prioritizing themselves. That's when everything changes. You don't chase power anymore. It starts coming to you.